Hello, this is Caroline from JeaTone. Today I will introduce our video door phone intercom system to you. Now you can see this is our 7-inch touchscreen indoor monitor. The built-in memory of our indoor monitor can save 80 pictures. You can also insert SD card into this port. With SD card, you can save recorded video and more pictures. And this is our HD outdoor camera. It can also connect it with electric lock. Now let's just look at the back side of our indoor monitor. You can see this is our connection sticker and some ports. Our video door phone intercom system can support 2 outdoor cameras, 4 indoor monitors, and 2 CCD cameras. Now let's just connect the outdoor camera, indoor monitor, and electric lock together. This is power adapter. We can supply it to you with different specifications, just like EU, AU, UK, and US. You can just put the wire into this port. Since our outdoor camera's power was supplied by indoor monitor, you can just put the wires into this port. You can also connect the wires according to the connection stickers. Now the outdoor camera is connected with indoor monitor. You can see there remain 3 color wires. They are for connecting to electric lock. The green one is normal open, the orange one is common port, the blue one is normal closed. If your electric lock mode is normal open, you just need to connect the green one and the orange one to the electric lock. Now all the wire is connected together. Let me show you how to operate our video door phone. You can just press the call button and you can monitor the door according to our indoor monitor. If you know the visitor, you just need to press the unlock button and the door is unlocked. Then the visitor can come into your home. Thanks for hearing. Hope you will like our video door phone.